I always think about space as a rhythm, a sequence of atmospheres, of emotions. Freebooter is a very organic building. Biophilic design means using more natural material and create a deeper connection between nature and the human being. We are driven by this connection to nature. I think all the senses must be involved. The size and shape of the spaces are conceived also in a way that they create different acoustics. A domestic space is somehow an extension of the inhabitants. It has to reflect the essence of the people inhabiting the space.
Artist's impression always is better than reality. In this case, it was the other way around. It was even much better than the rendering. It was a shock how beautiful it eventually became.
I wasn't building a house, I was building an art. It was so nice a project to build.
I explored the memory of the area, imagining ships coming and going, leaving from Amsterdam to sail the seas. I decided to use the ship as a main reference and I started analyzing how they were built. Always using timber construction as a key element to express this idea of connection, both on a technical and also qualitative level. It has been a long journey on at times rough seas, and thanks to a great crew we have managed to land safely, and I'm very grateful to all the people involved in the process.